In the image, you can see the Radonix wireless remote controller, which consists of two devices. One is the transmitter, which the operator holds, and the other is the receiver, which receives the data wirelessly. The receiver transfers the received commands to the computer or laptop through a USB port. The software analyzes the command, executes it, and sends the corresponding signal to the controller board, which then moves the motors. For example, as shown, we are moving the machine along the Y-axis using the remote. This feature is extremely helpful for operators in many industries, especially where dust, heat, or difficult working conditions make it inconvenient to stand close to the machine, such as plasma or oxy-fuel cutting machines. By rotating the handwheel pulse generator, the operator can move the machine along different axes. For instance, when the selector is on the Z-axis, the machine moves up and down. When placed on the Y-axis, the machine moves in the positive or negative Y direction. This makes the remote a highly practical option for a wide variety of CNC applications. The remote is equipped with several customizable buttons. Each button's function can be defined or changed in the Radonix software. For example, a start button to begin the job once the program is loaded in Radonix software. A stop button, an emergency stop button that immediately halts the machine. Buttons for adjusting feed speed or spindle speed during operation. All of these keys are user-definable, and each can perform a specific task depending on the operator's needs. As you can see, with a command issued from the remote, the machine begins to move. The operator can also stop the machine, adjust the spindle or cutting speed, and perform various actions, all from a safe and convenient distance.